Yeah, go up a little bit and hit the brakes again. It'll all come off. It's coming off. This is the most intense it's been. You can see now. More intense than this morning. Wind picked right back up. Bigger flakes, a little bit wetter at this point. I just took a digger in the road trying to tip Sean Fleck and his men who took a bobcat, as you will see in some of the images in the video. The driveway. Here comes Dad around in the corner. And it's not very nice right now. That is for sure. That's it. There we go. Doesn't matter now. Let's see if I can pull it. This way and this way. Yeah, that's okay. That's it. That's it. It's very slippery. I fell in the road. Yes. Warm. And they should be waterproof. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have a big black and blue actually. Yes.
Were you running or anything?
No, I was trying to tip him. This is the most intense it's been right now.
Tried to give him a
Yes.
Did you get to it?
Yes.
Paid the price?
Yes. This is the most intense it's been.
Yeah, the wind.
Well, this is a lot coming down right now. I have not been this covered.
How much you give him?
30. Well, I didn't know how many were there. Just 2, I guess.
Hey,
I thought there were more. Thought there was someone in the truck.